Mark, we're going to start with you. Not so much in a petri dish, but coming out of development, the demand signal that's coming in. What can we expect as we look around the environment 2 years?
Yeah, hi. I think that 2 years from now, and I've seen this with a number of federal folks when they're speaking at different conferences. In fact, I just came back from participating in a federal CIO roundtable earlier this week where I was in the audience. And the number one thing they were talking about, and this is echoing what Eric said just recently, was the fast. They want to get to zero trust fast, and they want to do it so that they can show progress. If we saw a lot of the, the executive order on cybersecurity, then the OMB memo, and even the National Defense Authorization Act, they're talking about having zero trust architecture and a way forward very quickly. For example, the DoD and the IC have to have by 9/30/23, which is about 16 months or a little less than that, a zero trust architecture and draft plan put forward. That's in law now. The OMB memo, they're talking about the civilian agencies get another year, so that by 9/30/24. It's still not a long time when we're talking about the federal government. So I think that what's going to happen in 2 years is that they're going to have something done quickly, and they're going to have to show results, right? There's a lot of Al shouts in there to the CISOs, and I feel your pain a little bit with having to implement these things in 60 days or these things in 90 days. But one of the things that I can say is that there's going to be less of a focus on zero trust, since it's becoming more of a marketing term, and more a focus on the actual components under those pillars of zero trust and what those mean. In our case at Illumio, and what we're seeing over the last 12 months is a focus on microsegmentation. And before you can do that, you've got to have that visibility on the back end of your network with the applications and the workloads.
All part of this architecture.